Hello reception! Last week you were busy scientists and you were investigating light and dark. When I say go, I want you to pause the video and share with your adult what you discovered. When you're finished sharing your answer, then you can press play again. Off you go! Thank you for sharing your answer. Some of my favourite things that we discovered is that we could make shadows using our hands. I also liked how we found out that glass was transparent. Can you remember what transparent means? This week we are still going to be scientists and we're going to explore something new. We're going to explore materials. My turn. Materials. Materials. Materials are what something is made of. Can you tell your adult, what is material? I'm going to share with you now some things that I found around the house that are made out of different materials. I wonder if you'll be able to name what material they're made out of. Let's take a look together. This is a ruler. It's silver and shiny. It's quite strong and I find it difficult to bend. Do you know what this material is? It's called metal. My turn. Metal. Metal. Good job. Here I have a different material. It's my hat that I wear when I take the dog for a walk. Do you know what this material is called? This is called fabric. 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 This fabric is very soft. Let's see if you can guess this one. This is an egg cup. I wonder if you can guess what this egg cup is made out of. It's made out of wood. 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 Let's see, what is this made out of? This is my water bottle. Can you name this material? It's made out of plastic. 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 Good job. Here is a chopping board I have at home. Now I have to be very careful with this one because I don't want to drop it. If I drop it, it would smash. That might be a clue about what material this is. Can you name this material? Glass. Glass. Good job. Let's see if you can guess what material this book is made out of. What material do you think makes these pages? It's paper. 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 Good job, reception. We've managed to name lots of materials. Let's see what our question of the day is. Today, our question to investigate is this material strong or weak? Can you say the word strong? Strong. Strong. Tell your adult, what do you think strong means? Strong is a word that we can use when we're talking about our muscles, but it's also a word that we can use when we're describing materials. When we say a material is strong, it means that it won't break easily. Let's see if you know what the word weak means. Weak. Weak. See if you can tell your adult, what does weak mean? Weak is another word that we can use to describe materials. When we say a material is weak, it means that it might break or that it can't hold something heavy. For our experiment, you're going to need something heavy. For example, I filled up my plastic bottle with water and now it's a lot heavier. When I say go, you can pause the video and see if you can find something heavy at home. Then come back to see what we do next. Off you go! Now we're going to test different materials to see if they're strong enough to hold our heavy object. To help test whether the materials are strong or weak, I'm going to use two chairs. I'm going to leave a gap between the middle of them so that I can balance the material across the top and there's nothing below to support it. First, I'm going to test the glass chopping board. Can you see how I've balanced it between the two chairs? Can you predict whether you think the glass is going to be strong or weak? Tell your adult, then press play to find out. I have placed the heavy water bottle on top of the glass. It doesn't look like it's breaking. That tells me that the material is strong. Next, I'm going to test paper. Do you predict the paper is going to be strong or weak? Tell your adult and then press play to see what happens. I'm going to put the heavy water bottle on top. Uh-oh! The paper wasn't able to hold the weight of the heavy water bottle. I think that means that paper is weak. The material was a tricky one. It hasn't broken, but can you see how it's bent in the middle? It's not strong and it's not weak, it's somewhere in between. Now it's your turn. Your challenge today is to try and make a bridge that is strong enough to hold your heavy object. See if you can try different materials and compare which one was stronger, which one was the weakest. Don't forget to upload a picture or a video to Exat or send it to your teacher email. Have fun!